Hey everyone, hello and I welcome you to Talk with Adi. So I'm back with another hackathon update for you, and this time this hackathon is from the Hacker Earth, and we all know that how prominent or how important this Hacker Earth site is for the students and professionals, right? So this hackathon is especially for the person who like manipulating the data or solving the real world problem using the concept of machine learning and data science. So basically it's its name is Life Out Here AI ML Hackathon, and it's an exciting 10-day virtual hackathon that aims to bring the great mind together to come up with game changing new ideas which can be put in action. And the basically you can say, if I sum up, you need to experience or you need to enhance the experience of a rural community, right, by building some prominent solution with the help of technology, right, which are like buy online, pick up in stores, tractor supply, and all those things. So that's why they have organizes this 10-day long hackathon. So basically it will start from 17 September 2021 at 10:30 a.m. As far as the Indian Standard Time are concerned, and it's totally online. You have to submit your solution in an online base, and it will end on September 28th, 2021 at 10:29 a.m. So you have nearly 10 days. So you can see this is the timeline. From 17 September hackathon will start, and 27 is the last date for submitting your solution, and 28 or 29 is a judging phase, and last 30 is a award ceremony, right? So you must be wondering like why to join this hackathon. So basically you will gain access to our slate of speakers from all area of AI ML landscape. So basically you will learn a lot, trust me, right? If you are like want to start a hackathon in this AI ML phase, in AI ML domain, so you can definitely try, where you will assign a mentor or speakers, where you will learn a lot, right, to interface with leadership at Tractor Supply, one of a computer world best place to work in IT. Okay, so it's a company. And last and second last, the opportunity to win one of a 9 exciting prize. So you have 9 exciting prize, and I will discuss that also. So theme, what is the theme? So basically they have a 7 to 8 theme, and the first one is the visual analytics based inventory replacement, right? In this competition participation, a participant will work to build a solution that utilize AI ML to automatically highlight and quantify the available space. So it's totally depend upon space, stores, right? सो वहाँ पे आपको पता लगाना है कि स्पेस कितना है, साइड लॉट्स, बैकलॉग एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. सो डेटा विल बी प्रोवाइडेड टू यू, picture of few store side and backlot, historical sale of item. Don't worry, they will provide complete data and the resources which you like. And this theme is sponsored by Tiger Analytics, right? And the prize are like Xbox Series S for each member of a winning team. That's really cool, right? And second one is a customer interaction with store layout. So in this competition, participants will work to build AI ML that is capable of measuring the dwelling time of a customer in a floor section. So यहाँ पे आपको टाइम के बेसिस पे आपको यहाँ पर कुछ ऐसा मैनिपुलेशन करना है, राइट? सो वीडियो फुटेज ऑफ अ एसएल ऑफ अ स्टोर विद पीपल मूवमेंट. सो टोटली it theme is to like save time, right? And challenges will be like computer dealing time of customer in floor section, and assume floor is divided into 8 sections and all those things. Don't worry, they will provide complete information about it. And the prize is iPad mini for each member of a winning team. Apart from that, there are grand prizes as well, and this is sponsored by Nutanix. Third one is prediction model for distribution center receiving forecast. So in this competition, participant will use AI ML to predict the number of trailers and the item unit expected to receive a distribution center, right? So यहाँ पे data will be provided by like inbound trailers received by week by DC, and receive unit by category, and sales unit. All those data will be provided to you in an efficient manner. You just need to manipulate it and to build a kind of solution. And challenges are like predict number of inbound trailers and unit will be received by the week by DC. And yeah, Google Pixel Buds for each member of winning team. That's really cool, as it is sponsored by Google Cloud. And the next one is mobile app based lawn garden area perimeter measurement. So no TSC data needed. Okay, so you need to like use any kind of framework or anything. So participant will build AI ML mobile solution to measure area parameter around lawn or garden to facilitate ordering mulch, sheet, fence, etc. And price $300 prepaid gift card for each member of a winning team. And Databricks, sponsored by Databricks. And this one is product recommendation. I think the name can be like quite familiar to you. So data provided will be like item clicked, item put on a cart, item purchased, weather data, just like Amazon and Flipkart, all those, like whatever you do they store it. So this one is sponsored by people who get it. This one CWD is CDW, my mistake. And the next one is price optimization. So this things you are familiar with it, as the name suggested very well. And here the data will be price change data, sales data, competitor price data. Challenges, what are the kind of challenges? Recommend price change schedule for higher gross margin dollars, right? And okay, now the next one is loss prevention optimization. You need to prevent the loss, right? And data will be like tractor supply store list with address and list of high fraud most commonly stolen item which produce description. अपन ने देखा ये जैसे stores में वो चोरी या stolen हो जाता है, तो that kind of data will be provided to, and you have to build a bot to identify social media selling platform like eBay, Facebook marketing, marketplace, etc, etc. You can read about it. Okay, so prize will be Oculus Quest 2 for each member of the winning team, and this one is Till8, sponsored by Till8. And this last theme is like product data enrichment. So again the data will be like tractor supply provide a list of product with current product detail, and challenges build a bot to browse the website and collect product information, recommend change to the attribute like dimension, hazmat category, etc, etc. GoPro, you will get GoPro. That's really cool, as it is prevented by Prevader, right? And okay, so this was our 8 themes. You need to analyze it, as the date are very close. Today is 15 as I am recording this video as of now, and after today this hackathon will start. Just register for it now, right, if you are interested. Okay, so grand prize is US 1000 per team member, $1000 for per team member. That's quite great, and the most important thing, you will learn a lot. That is the most significant thing you will experience in this hackathon, because you will be working on real world projects or real world solution. You will build real world solution, and that's really cool. If you can see that your solution is implemented in somewhere else, that's totally cool. Special prizes are like visual analytics, inventory replacement. You can learn more about it, right? Just click. These are the special prize. Okay, so this was our hackathon, and I totally recommend you, if you want to learn a lot in the field of data science and machine learning, just register for it. Whether you win or whether you lose, that doesn't matter, you will learn a lot. That is the basic thing, you need to remember it. Okay, so I think that's all for today's video. So if you like the video, do subscribe my channel Talk with Adi, so that you can get latest notification about the internships, job update, hackathons, mostly the student related stuffs. So that's all from my side. Stay safe, keep learning, and enjoy. Bye.